How to block Telegram account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Telegram. And once you do that, you need to go to the profile of the person that you want to block. So let's go ahead and do that. Say for example, I want to block this person right here. I will go to her profile, and once you're there, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, and then click on block user from the list. A confirmation box will appear that asks you, are you sure you want to block this person? Click block user to confirm, and this person has been blocked. So that was it for this video. That's how you can block people on Telegram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.